My name is Hussain Javed and you are watching my channel Education Vessel. We are talking about trigonometry. Today we have a new topic of trigonometry. If you have any trigonometric function value, how we can find the remaining trigonometric function values. Okay, look at the question. Question is here. Find the values of remaining trigonometric functions if cos of theta is equal to -1 upon square root of 2 and terminal arm of the angle is in quadrant 3. Okay, the value of cos theta is given and the terminal of the angle is in quadrant number 3. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is quadrant number 3, this is quadrant number 4. First of all, I have to make you understand some points before we start the lecture about the triangle. Okay, this is right angle triangle, is angle theta, and I want to let you know this side is adjacent to theta. That is why this side is known as adjacent side. Adjacent side, and that side, this is perpendicular. This side is opposite to angle theta. That is why this side is known as opposite side. Opposite, okay. And this slope is known as hypotenuse. This slope is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay, now the value of cos theta is given -1 over square root of 2 and the terminal arm of the angle is in quadrant number 3. Let's draw the terminal arm. The terminal arm is here in quadrant number 3. Now draw the perpendicular like this. Now this is a right angle triangle. And now we know that the formulas of the trigonometric ratios are given here, and the cos theta, we can see that cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, this adjacent side is this, adjacent side is here, now -1. Okay, in quadrant number 3 we can see that you must keep one point in your mind, that the adjacent side of the right angle triangle always lies on x-axis, and the opposite side of the right angle triangle always lies on y-axis. That is why we have to check in quadrant number 3, here is x negative and y is negative. It means that adjacent side and opposite side both will be negative in this quadrant. Okay, that is why this negative sign will go with 1 and this one to square root of 2 will come here, because the hypotenuse have and don't have any sign. Okay, now this side is unknown. We have to, first of all, we have to find this unknown side, then we can easily find the all remaining trigonometric function values. Okay, for that purpose we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Here is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, hypotenuse square is equal to, this is hypotenuse square is equal to base means adjacent, base means adjacent square. Okay, base means adjacent square and plus opposite and opposite side square. Okay, now the given value hypotenuse is square root of 2, square is equal to adjacent is, we have to find adjacent is -1 square, and opposite side is not given. We have to find this side. Okay, we have to find this side opposite as it is. Okay, Square root cancel with square, you will get 2 is equal to minus 1 square is equal to 1, opposite square, and this is positive here, it will go on the other side, it will become negative like this. 2 minus 1 is equal to opposite square, 2 minus 1 is equal to opposite square. Now we have to find the value of opposite side. That is why we have to take square root on both sides. We will put plus minus here. Now square root cancel. Now opposite. Now we have to decide whether we put the sign positive or negative. Okay. Now let's check in the part number 3. X is negative, that is adjacent side, shows adjacent side, and y is also negative in quadrant number 3, that shows opposite side. It means the opposite side will be negative in the quadrant number 3, that is why you can write minus here, and 1 square root is equal to 1. Now opposite side is equal to minus 1. Now we can easily find the remaining trigonometric function values. Okay, now you have to put the values here. This is opposite over hypotenuse. This is opposite. This is opposite. Opposite is minus 1, and hypotenuse is square root of 2. And the reciprocal, cosecant is the reciprocal of sine theta. That's why you will get the answer minus square root of 2. And here cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent side is minus 1, and hypotenuse is square root of 2. And similarly, secant is the reciprocal of cos theta, and the minus 1 over square root of 2, the reciprocal of this is minus square root of 2. And tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is, our opposite side is minus 1, and adjacent is also minus 1. Minus 1 over minus 1, we know that it is equal to 1. And the reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta, and the reciprocal of 1 is 1. This is the simple method to find the remaining trigonometric function values. Today lecture is over. If you have any question, please write in the comment section below or send me an email. My email ID is mentioned in the description. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.